Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to assign different product group to different product in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are in setting shipping. So this is our region 1, and then you see region we selected, rest of the world. So we are going to assign different product group to different product. Now scroll down. Now you see we select rate by product, and then you see you have two product group 1 default, group 2. So click on manage product group. So click on it. Now pop up open, and then you see name and product group. If you want, you can create new group. Now you see add a new group. So you can add name and then click on add group. Now close. Now you see by default group 1. Now select group. So you can select group 2 for this product. Now select this and then select group 1. So you can assign according to requirement and then click on done. And then scroll down. Now you see group 1 default rate, group 2. In group 2 we select one product. So you can assign rate according to requirement and then click on save. And then you see advanced setting. You see 3 options. Now you see an example. So you can read this. Now close. Now you see apply group rate. If you want, you can select this option. You see another option, apply group rate once for all product. So this work for all product and this work for individual product. So when you increase quantity, then rate also increase. And then you see apply the highest group. So if you have 2 or 3 product rate, then apply highest group rate to cart page. Now click on see an example. Rate is applied to each product. So we have 5 shirts, 5 pants. Rate is applied once to all product. Now you see highest rate is applied to once to the entire order. Now you see shipping cost for shirt, pants shipping rate high. So that's why apply this. And then click on save changes. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.